Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting adventure lined up as we embark on a journey to explore the colossal wonders of nature. In this video, we'll be diving into the icy realm and uncovering the top 10 largest glaciers in the world. From the breathtaking landscapes to the awe-inspiring sizes, you won't want to miss a moment of this icy escapade. So, grab your virtual parka and let's get started. Defining glaciers. Before we delve into our list, let's take a moment to understand what glaciers are and how they form. Glaciers are massive bodies of ice that move slowly over time due to the accumulation and compaction of snow. They form in regions where more snow falls than melts, creating an environment where the snow transforms into dense glacial ice. 2. Criteria for ranking. Now, you might be wondering how we determined the ranking for today's list. Well, we've considered the sheer size of the glaciers, their length, width, and depth. Additionally, we took into account their influence on the surrounding ecosystems and their significance in shaping the landscapes they inhabit. Number 10. Biafo Glacier, Pakistan. Kicking off our list at number 10 is the Biafo Glacier, located in the Karakoram Range of Pakistan. Stretching over 63 kilometers, this glacier is a mesmerizing sight, surrounded by towering peaks and pristine wilderness. Its icy expanse makes it one of the longest glaciers outside the polar regions. Number 9. Seward Glacier, Alaska, USA. Moving on to number 9, we find ourselves in the stunning wilderness of Alaska with the Seward Glacier. This colossal ice giant spans over 80 kilometers and is nestled amidst the breathtaking landscapes of the Alaskan mountains. Its impressive size and intricate crevasses make it a must-see for any glacier enthusiast. Number 8. Siachen Glacier, India and Pakistan. Next up at number 8, we have the Siachen Glacier, a majestic frozen river situated at the northern tip of India and Pakistan. This glacier is not only one of the largest, covering over 76 kilometers, but it also holds strategic importance due to its location in the disputed region of the Siachen. Number 7. Hubbard Glacier, Alaska, USA. Our countdown takes us back to Alaska for number 7, where we encounter the awe-inspiring Hubbard Glacier. With a length of approximately 122 kilometers, this glacier is the longest tidewater glacier in North America. Its colossal size and active calving events make it a captivating spectacle for both scientists and nature enthusiasts. Number 6. Bering Glacier, Alaska, USA. Breaking into the top half of our list at number 6 is the Bering Glacier, another Alaskan giant. Spanning an incredible 190 kilometers, the Bering Glacier is the largest glacier in North America. Its vast expanse and dynamic features, including ice streams and crevasses, contribute to the glacier's unique and dynamic character. Number 5. Bruggen Glacier, Chile. Now let's head to the southern reaches of our planet for number 5, where we find the Bruggen Glacier in Chile. Also known as Poxi Glacier, this icy giant covers an astonishing 250 kilometers, making it the largest glacier in South America. Its location within the southern Patagonian ice field adds to its significance as a natural wonder. Number 4. Baltoro Glacier, Pakistan. At number 4, we return to the breathtaking landscapes of Pakistan's Karakoram Range to explore the Baltoro Glacier. This glacier extends over 62 kilometers and serves as the gateway to some of the world's highest peaks, including K2. The Baltoro Glacier is not only a geological marvel, but also a popular destination for trekkers and mountaineers. Number 3. South Cascade Glacier, Washington, USA. Now let's shift our focus to the Pacific Northwest for number 3, where we encounter the South Cascade Glacier in Washington, USA. Spanning approximately 135 square kilometers, this glacier showcases the beauty of the Cascade Range, its vital role in maintaining freshwater resources, and its stunning ice formations contribute to its prominence. Number 2. Fedchenko Glacier, Tajikistan. As we approach the pinnacle of our list, we reach number 2 with the Fedchenko Glacier in Tajikistan. Covering an astounding 220 kilometers, this glacier is the largest in the Pamir Mountains and Central Asia. The Fedchenko Glacier's sheer size and unique features, including ice falls and seracs, make it a true marvel of nature. Number 1. Lambert Glacier, Antarctica. And finally, the moment we've all been waiting for, the number 1 spot goes to the Lambert Glacier in Antarctica. With a staggering length of about 400 kilometers and a width of up to 100 kilometers, the Lambert Glacier is not only the largest glacier in the world, but also the largest and longest glacier in Antarctica. Its colossal size and mesmerizing blue hues make it a true icon of the frozen continent. There you have it, folks, a journey through the top 10 largest glaciers in the world. From the icy heights of the Karakoram Range to the pristine wilderness of Antarctica, these glaciers remind us of the incredible forces of nature that shape our planet. If you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more adventures, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on our upcoming content. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.